How well does the National Assembly do business? Now there is a very special opportunity for you, if you're interested in what goes on here, to influence how we work. Like any other society and organization or business, we have to have rules as to how we operate. We call them standing orders. In the past, these rules have been written for us by the Secretary of State for Wales. Now we are writing them ourselves, and we are inviting you to help us. How we operate has to be clear and fair to everyone, and that's why we have to have such rules. So contact the National Assembly and express your views about how we do our business. How effectively are we in calling the government to account? How good are we at making laws? Do we really represent Wales? Those are some of the key questions which we are now tackling. Please help us.